Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again with indaba zakuBetway Premiership. Amathimba amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ehamba phambili namhlanje kuthiwa uLucas Ribeiro, umdlali lo obedlalela uMamelodi Sundowns, is set to join iclub yaseSpain edlala ku-second division. Igama layo iCYD Leonesa. CYD Leonesa bafethu idlala ku-second division yaseSpain. Kuthiwa lokhu nje kulandela after umjida epostile lapha ka-Instagram. Muwasuye lapha ka-Instagram uyobona ipost eqhamuka kuyena uLucas Ribeiro, ungayibona lapha ebhalile. Nayi ipost eqhamuka khona bafethu kuthiwa la, from the very first day I arrived, I gave my all. Ungayifundela lapha ufike uphoze uyifundele. Uzowabona nama-comments abadlalela uMamelodi Sundowns bebonga lapha ukuthi hayi umjida azahambe kahle. Kodwa kunento engiyizwile bafethu, Andile Ncube uvele waqhamuka eseqhamuka nale post le engiyibona manje. Uthi uAndile Ncube, Lucas Ribeiro is a Sundowns player. He has a contract with the Sundowns for a 2+ year option. The team is still fighting the case and he has declared himself as a free agent but does not have clearance from the team. uLucas Ribeiro usawumdlali weMamelodi Sundowns apparently. Njengoba iSundowns ingakaconfirm nje ukuthi umjida akasekho kwiSundowns. Because yona imbona la Lucas Ribeiro kuthiwa ubonakalile kule club le ayoyijoyina eyobuka igame yakhona. Yabo ubonakalile eyoyibuka igame yakhona. Njengoba imbona la ubehamba neagent yakhe uLucas Ribeiro. So ufuna ukubaleka kuSundowns, but ke iSundowns kuthiwa ngathi isamile. Yabo sisalindele confirmation ukuthi ngabe ngempela umjida uzohamba yini kwiSundowns. Asazi. Indaba ke lezi ngizwe izizwe namhlanje eyishisayo. Ungangitshela wena ama comments usizwa kanjani ngale indaba. Should Mamelodi Sundowns break away from the player and let the player be free, or kumele ilwe ngempela imgcine weclub? Ngangitshela ama comments uVanele bafethu. Bese indaba engiyithole namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa uCassius Mailula usejoyine iclub yaseBelgium. Le club le iKV Gorchig. Angikwazi kuyipronounce igama leli laseBelgium bafethu. Umjida ujoyinile le club on loan from iToronto, iclub yale yase-USA bafethu. Kuthiwa nje njengoba ijoyina le club le yaseBelgium bafethu kune option. Le option le eyokuthi abe permanent ngoba ukuyiloan njengoba ijoyinile le club le. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle njengoba eyale eBelgium, ahlangane nabadlali abanjengoShandra Campbell baba bangani lapha bafethu bavdlale kahle abajida. Sibafisela inhlanhla nje umjida useya eEurope at last. Umjida uye eEurope. This is good news, to be honest. Indaba ezinhle lezi, indaba ezinhle kakhulu. Siyafuna ukubona abafana abaningi bale Europe. Izinto lezi into level eyifuna uHugo Broos. Hugo Broos wayifuna lo mfana lo ayele Europe ayodlala kahle eEurope, not uthi ayele eAmerica ayodlala eAmerica kwiMLS. No, Hugo Broos wayifuna lo mfana lo ayodlala eEurope, at least kadlale kulama club aphansi, maselo wekhuphuka approach ama club aphezulu. Yabo into vele ayifuna. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle eEurope. Ngimfisela nje okuhle, ngimfisela inhlanhla. Let's hope ukudlala kwakhe lapha kuzobenza abonwe Hugo Broos futhi aphinde amlando Hugo Broos. Sinama games amaningi abalekile for ibafana bafana. Siyodlala kuAFCON, siyodlala kuWorld Cup next year. So we need these players to perform really good. Kwezinye bafethu izindaba eziphuma namhlanje kuthiwa uGeorge Moklo bafethu ama-agent akhe ashilo ngempela kuthiwa umjida usesayinile with iKaizer Chiefs. Idili yakhe kodwa le entsha izorana until 2026, June 2026. So uthole i-option eyodwa kwi-contract yakhe. Lethope umjida uzosebenzisa leli thuba leli mase yitholela i-deal ende with iKaizer Chiefs. Malisebenzi leli thuba leli singambona ngempela eshiya iKaizer Chiefs next season as a free agent. Ngiyajabula kakhulu ukubona indaba kanje. Umjida uyayithanda ngempela iKaizer Chiefs. Ngikhumbula nje bewinile wahlala isonto lonke egqoke ikhithi yeKaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu eziphumile, iclub yesibili yala eAfrica isiqualifyele for iWorld Cup after iMorocco. iTunisia bafethu namhlanje siyibonile iqualifier. Kusasa siyafisa nje ukubona bafana iqhubeka ezinyathelweni zayo iTunisia neMorocco. Let's hope abafethu bazoqualifya because bafana kusasa iyodlala against iNigeria. Kumdlalo loyo obaluleke kakhulu for bafana same as iNigeria, because iNigeria nayo umishawa against bafana singayibona iNigeria amathuba ayo ukuthi iqualify for iWorld Cup ephela, and bafana iqualify from that same night yakusasa. Ungangitshela wafika lapho kuma comments score prediction, ungitshele nje ukuthi igame izophela ngoba iscore. Kwezinye zeindaba ade khuluma nabe indaba ke the former Nigerian coach uSunday Olise uthi lana for any disciplinary action against South Africa to be taken, there has to be a protest from the opponent. There has to be a protest by the opponent, nobody else. So Nigeria Football Federation ayikwazi ukuthi iye lapha kwiFIFA iyoprotesta ngale ndaba yeBafana Bafana ukuthi yadlalisa uTebogo Mokoena. Yabo inama yellow card amabili. Ayikwazi Nigeria ukuthi yenze leyo nto kumele yenziwe iLesotho. And iLesotho leyo nto idrophile leyo case. Ithe ayifuni ukuyiloga icase. So Bafana at the moment isa clear, miwina kusasa iya qualifier for good. So indaba ezinhle ngempela lezi for Hugo Broos Bafana izoqualify abafethu uma iwina kusasa. So nje kusasa kudlalwa nje igame yangempela kusasa izobe ishubile. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile abafana namhlanje kuthiwa iRichards Bay iconfirmileke ukuthi ihome game yayo elandelayo iyodlala against iTS Galaxy izodlalwa eMhlathuze Stadium ngomhla 17 September. iPSL isiapprovile bafethu istadium njengoba nisibona njengathi silungisiwe mina isikhumbula kahle ke stadium ngalama games ade edlalwa sasingekho right stadium bafethu sasingekho right yabo sasingekho nje right iloko engakusho but ke ba-approvile bafethu ukuthi igame yabo neTS Galaxy izodlala kusona le stadium lesi. But ke engikhala kakhulu ngakho kule stadium lesi bafethu iVIP nama general akuhlukile kakhulu. iVIP nama general akuhlukile kakhulu letho bazokwazi ukushintsha lokho mfethu because istadium esikanje I don't think isikhona esinye stadium la ku Betway Premiership mhlawumbe ilesi sasePolokwane City and futhi naso kunawo iside elilodwa linawo umpheme la akhompheme yabo akhompheme mayimekunetha ama-fans anethwa wonke yabo that's a big thing yabo it's not a good thing for ibhola la South Africa. So I don't know, maybe ku-pre-season next season value season kumele bazame ukuyilungisa leyo nto bafake impheme nje yabo bazame ukuyifaka impheme iyadingakala ama-fans anganethwe imvula angashiswe ilanga mezobuka igame. Kwezinye izindaba esiyitholile namhlanje iOrlando Pirates imkhiphile ke playoff demand yayo okubani kumbekezile Mbukazi bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu for iOrlando Pirates kule season. So le ndaba lezi zangijabulisa ngempela ukumbona uqokiwe ke as i-playoff demand ye-Orlando Pirates. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iproduct yeKaizer Chiefs ibisibonakale ijima neOrlando Pirates. Umthokozisi Balaxi usejoyine iOrlando Pirates reserve side. Not even a reserve side, a reserve feeder. Yabo i-feeder team le Orlando Pirates okuyi-African All Stars. Uyodlala le ku-ABC Motsepe League edlala le eGauteng umjeti una 23 years old. I-feeder team ke le Orlando Pirates ayoyidlalela umjita le top. Umjita uzodlala kahle akhuphuke ayojoyina ezimnyama ezinkulu. Kwezinye izindaba ezingekho mnandi eziphumile kuthiwa uKeegan Johannes i-future yakhe with Mamelodi Sundowns ayikho clear because ngenzeka umjita alone out kuthiwa i-game time limited kakhulu but ke he's open to stay and fight for his spot kuMamelodi Sundowns but i-decision isaphenda ngempela asazi kuzokwenzakalani kuyena umjita but yena ngokwakhe ufuna ukuhlala kuMamelodi Sundowns. I remember this guy was wanted by Orlando Pirates but ke kwaba khona ama-decision akhona wakhetha ukuyojoyina iMamelodi Sundowns. Ningakhohlwa bafethu ukungifollowa lapha ka-Instagram naka-Facebook. Ka-Facebook i-page la Vane Sports ilona leli bafethu ufike uye lapha ka-Facebook ngine-page khona ufike uthi Vane Sports uzongithola nje khona nalapha ka-Instagram ngiyatholakala futhi na-Instagram bafethu ufike uye nje ka-Instagram uthi Vane Sports with lesithombe lesingaphandle. Ngajabula kakhulu bafethu ningifollowe ngizama ukwakha ama-page nakhona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-support eninginika yona.